sometimes we don't like saying resistance or reluctance. So we have a new word for it, and it's called permeance. So permeance is the inverse of reluctance. So we had reluctance, and reluctance is sort of like, I don't want to establish a magnetic flux. Like it's my opposition to flux. This is an angry face. I don't want to establish this magnetic flux. But permeance has a positive connotation. It says, yeah, I'm super permeable. Permeance says, yeah, come and establish a magnetic flux. So I have my magnetic circuit, it's got my coils, and I have this reluctance over here, and it's like angry and mad and reluctant. But instead, I can call this permeance. How happy is it? How good is it to establish magnetic flux? Well, it's the opposite, it's the inverse. So permeance is just 1 over reluctance. Permeance is 1 over reluctance because why do we need permeance? We don't. We don't need permeance. It's 1 over reluctance. We could have kept reluctance. So we just defined another thing here. It's called permeance. It's 1 over reluctance, but reluctance has um, this is 1 over, reluctance has the units Weber per amp turn. Therefore, the, the, the um, units for permeance are going to be the inverse of that. So it's going to be amp turns per Weber, which in itself is the definition of a Henry. So permeance is measured in amp turns per Weber, and it's just a new way of saying reluctance. It's 1 over reluctance. And how permeable something is called its permeability. Permeability. So permeability is a new equation. Permeability is a new equation, and it's how permeable something is, how not reluctant it is, how much it wants to permit. So a circuit will have a permeance or a permeance of PM, and it will have a permeability that is a normalized permeance. Permeability is a normalized permeance. It's permeance, it's permeance multiplied by, normalized by length over cross-sectional area A. And permeability is a material property. It is permeance normalized by length over area is the formula for it. Permeance normalized by length over area. That can relate back to reluctance because permeance is the inverse of